Now student, let us move on to the next topic, that is metallic and non-metallic characters. It is seen that the metallic elements like sodium, magnesium are towards the left. They are towards the left. And the non-metallic elements such as sulfur, chlorine are towards the right. This is the right side. Here, metalloids are the element. Silicon lies in between these two. Silicon and other metalloids lies in between the metal and non-metal. It is seen that the zigzag line separates the metal from the non-metal in a periodic table. This is the zigzag line which separates the metal and non-metal. Let us compare the characteristic chemical properties of metal and non-metal. It is seen from the chemical formula of simple ionic compound that cations in them is formed from a metal while anions from the non-metal. Cations are formed from the metal and anions are formed from the non-metal. From this it is understood that metals have a tendency to form a cations by losing its valency electron. This property is called as a electropositivity of a element. On other hand, an atom of a non-metal has a tendency to form an anion by accepting the electrons from the outer side into its valency shell. We have already seen that ions have a stable electronic configuration of a noble gas. All electrons in an atom are held by an attractive force exerted on them by a positive charge nucleus. Electrons in the inner shell lies in between the valency shell and the nucleus. We have already seen that the electrons are between the valency shell and the nucleus. Because of their presence in the effective nuclear charge exerting a attractive force on the valency electrons is somewhat less than an actual nuclear charge. Thus, the number of valency electron in a metal is small. So, valency electrons are small, that is 1 to 3. Also, the effective nuclear charge exerting the attractive force on a valency electron is also small. As a combined effect of these two factors, the metals have tendency to lose the valency electrons to form a cations, having a stable noble gas configuration. This tendency of elements called electropositivity is the metallic character of these elements. Now let us see the electropositivity and electronegativity in this periodic trend. See, from left to right, decrease in the atomic radius. Atomic radius goes on decreasing.